The longest trip that we've done is the one we did last year, close to 4,000 kilometers. We are going on a new trip quite soon. We don't have to plan a lot for charging because there are so many chargers around Europe now.
I have done a few long distance trips. This would be the longest trip. In total, I'm counting on 5,000 kilometers. I'm going to Sicily.
I made my first trip with a Tesla driving up to Copenhagen, 3,400 kilometers.
For Europeans, we travel a lot, something in our culture.
We wanted a car that we could use as the main car for the family to take these long trips.
Put in the destination on the screen and we will have suggestions for where to charge.
They're working very well on destination chargers. I spent 4 days with my wife. It was very nice.
If you're staying at hotels which has a destination charger, you can use them free of charge.
Supercharging is the fastest way of charging an electric car.
Using the superchargers is very simple. Connect the cable and it charges.
We never planned the trip based on the supercharger stations. They're so close. We just figured, where do we want to go? What do we want to see?
This little lake is so beautiful. We looked at this house 10 years ago and said, someday we're going to make it.